another elastic here that protects the bottom of your luggage. Cool, huh? Hi guys, I'm back again and I'm here to show you some more of my cute stuff that I bought from South Korea. Let's open this box. This is a toothbrush holder. Let's open it and let's see how it's gonna look like. And we have this cute little bunny toothbrush holder. It is made of silicone and it's soft. And when you turn it at the back, there's a little suction cup. And there's like a little vent over here that your toothbrush can vent out. And there's a little hole here where your toothbrush gonna hold. And it will protect it from the germs and bacteria from your bathroom. This one is the cover for your arms, and it protects your arms from getting wet or getting dirty while doing some kitchen chores, like washing the dishes. This also protects you from sunlight, and if you want to do paintings, and also for gardening. This has an elastic at the top, and also have an elastic at the bottom. Next, I have this cool little car freshener. It has like pink fox design with a little essential oil inside that you can just hook it at the mirror of your car. My next item is a luggage cloth cover. We travel a lot and I want to protect my luggage from dirt, stains, and damages. This one is a 24-inch cover and it will fit on your carry-on luggage. Let's open it. This is made of stretchy material and it has like a bear design, and when you turn it at the back, this is the design, and there's like a little hole here for the handle of your luggage. And let's flip it at the bottom. There's like 3 buttons that you can snap it, and there's another elastic here that protects the bottom of your luggage. This is another luggage item. This is Minnie Mouse, a luggage tag. Let's open it. And let's see. Okay. Here it is. A cute Minnie Mouse luggage tag. You can also put your name in here to identify your luggage. Name, address, and telephone number. Our last item for today is a mini pick. This is used for decoration, or you can use it for picking up your favorite food on your dish. Let's open this little trinket. Oh, there's a little tent design, a little elephant, doggy, and some lion. And I'm sure if you have kids, they're gonna love this little pig. You can use this for your kids' meal, and I'm sure they're gonna enjoy using this with their vegetables, meat, and fruits.